Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Walmart out in the garden center. So here we have the dwarf Alberta spruce for $14.97. This is a 2.5 quart size pot. So it needs part sun, at least 3 to 6 hours, water 2 to 3 times per week, and it gets 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. You want to space it 4 to 5 feet apart, hardy to minus 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yes guys, for this beautiful dwarf Alberta spruce. Okay, they also have another size that's going to be $29.74, and this one is in a 2.25 gallon size. The Leyland Cypress, they are $19.84 for a 2.25 gallon, and this one needs full sun, and it needs to be watered 2 to 3 times a week. So this one gets 60 to 70 feet tall and wide. Spacing is 15 feet apart, hardy to minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. These grow so fast and they are just so huge. But oh my goodness guys, I think mine are diseased. I've sprayed them a couple of times and I'm gonna see how they turn out, but fingers crossed guys. I think my trees, they're probably not gonna last long. I don't know what happened, but yeah, that's one of those things when you get a Leyland Cypress. So if I had to do it all over again, I'll stick with my green giant, you know, after knowing that these trees are known for diseases. But yeah, they're beautiful. They get big really, really fast. It's the oleander bush for $16.97. So this one needs full sun, keep well watered. It gets 6 to 10 feet tall and wide. The spacing is 3 to 10 feet apart, hardy to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And it blooms in the summertime. Yeah. Not a bad deal. I heard that these trees are poisonous, guys, so you want to do your research on these before you purchase these. Okay, they also have them in a larger size for $29.97, which is a 2.5 gallon. Right there, this size, 2.5 gallon, huh? So this is the bush. Let's see what's the difference. Okay, this is on a standard form here. Okay. For $29.97. These mandevillas on the trellis, $29.97. It is in pink and they also have some in white. So it is 6 hours of sun, keeps soil evenly moist. It gets 15 to 20 feet tall and wide. The spacing is 3 to 5 feet apart and hardy to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes. Yes, this is the Hollywood hibiscus, the Disco Diva. So this one, it blooms spring until frost. It gets 4 to 5 feet tall and wide. Keeps soil moist, not saturated. It needs full sun and bring indoors when below 33 degrees Fahrenheit. And this one is $19.84. They also have the smaller mandevillas on the trellis for $14.97. Okay guys, all of the Kimberly ferns are $14.88. They look really healthy. Somebody's been taking care of these. And they also have the macho fern for $14.88. Okay. Oh, we have lemons and limes over here. Yay. So the lemon tree is $24.97 for a 1 gallon. Is $24.97 and the lemon is $24.97. We have Japanese maple trees by Expert Garden for $19.97. The Japanese maples need full sun, water every day until established. It gets 8 to 10 feet tall and wide. You want to space it 12 to 15 feet apart, hardy to zone 5 and hardness -20. So the beautiful Crimson Queen Japanese Maple. Guys, this Sun combo containers are $21.74. It has the begonias and the creeping Jenny, really cute. The caliber corals, $174. The topiaries are $40. Begonia, oh yes, how beautiful. The big begonias are $22.84. Counter lily by Better Homes and Gardens for $19.97, and they are huge. Woo. Okay guys, the Boston ferns are here and they are $14.88. Asiatic lilies, they are $6.88. So they have Walmart brand and they also have Better Homes and Gardens brand. Better Homes and Garden brand is $8.97. Ranunculus for $6.88. Now these are by Expert Gardener. So this one is a perennial. It needs full sun and it needs to be watered. It needs to be watered 2 to 3 times per week. It gets 12 to 36 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 12 inches apart and it is hardy to -40°F. It blooms in the summer to autumn. Oh yes, how pretty. Woo, that is bright. I love that. What do they have up there? Graceful Grasses. Graceful Grasses, Prince Tat for $9.97 by Proven Winners. Super Bells by Proven Winners is $9.97. So this one, the habit is trailing. It gets 6 to 10 inches tall. The spacing is 8 to 12 inches. It is an annual except in 9A through 11B and hardy to 30°F. Okay, that is beautiful. So let's give it a shot. This is the Lysianthus. It is an annual. It is $9.98. 26 hours of sun. Allow soil to dry between watering. It gets 8 to 36 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 8 to 12 inches apart. Protect from frost and it blooms spring through autumn. The leaves are so beautiful. We got a lot of buds too. Oh my goodness, for what? $9.98. This is beautiful. I don't recall seeing this. Huh. It is beautiful. Proven Winners hanging pots. They are $29.97. No, no, no. We can't pay that for you all. Purslane is $4.97. Really pretty. Lantana is $7.88. This petunia is $7.88. It's the heather plant, Mexican heather for $4.97. Cannot beat this price, guys. Petunias are $5.97. They have the petunias in all these pretty colors. The begonias are $5.97. Okay, they have this false cypress for $24.97. It needs full sun and water this one 2 to 3 times a week. This one gets 5 to 6 feet tall and wide. You want to space it 5 to 6 feet apart. Hardy to -20°. Okay. This is Endless Summer Hydrangea for $14.97. compact with profuse stunning blooms. The zone is 4 to 9, 18 to 36 inches tall and wide. Azaleas. This one is by Expert Gardener and it is 1984. It needs full sun and water this one 2 to 3 times a week. So this one, it gets 24 to 36 inches tall and wide. You want to space it 36 to 48 inches apart, and it is hardy to minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It blooms in the springtime. This is called the Gerard's Hot Shot. Double knockout roses are $14.97. Torina. So this one is $5.97. It needs shade 2 to 3 hours, water daily, keep soil evenly moist. It gets 6 to 10 inches tall and wide. The spacing is 8 inches apart. Protect from frost, and it blooms in the summer. I don't recall this one either, guys. Oh yes, for $5.97. So this one, it attracts bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. It needs full sun. It gets 8 to 30 inches tall and wide. You want to space it 9 to 15 inches apart. Protect from frost, and it blooms spring to summer. That's not a bad deal, $5.97. I'll take it. We also have the salvia for $5.97. Nice. The yellow bush hibiscus, they're $16.97. It needs full sun, keep well watered. It gets 2 to 6 feet tall and wide. The spacing is 2 to 6 feet apart. Hardy to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and it blooms in the summer. It is also good for pollinators. Alrighty. Proven winners, container style. This is the Gloria Rose for $17.84. Okay. This one with the begonias. Spider plant, $14.88. The container's made easy now. Cactus and succulents. Okay, for $24.96. Nice. Caliber corals in the containers made easy for $9.97. These are the New Guinea Impatiens, and they're $14.88 in the hanging pot. Ooh, chevron trellis. Oh, okay. How much are they? Well, these are nice. The arch. They also have the diamond. Huh. This is a garden border here. Okay. I think that is it here today at Walmart out in the garden center. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. And I want to say thank you to everyone who's shopping my links. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. And to all of my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm glad you're here. So until next time, guys, you be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Guys, look what Walmart is trashing out here in the garden center. People they did not, I guess they didn't water the plants. Isn't this horrible? Even trees, guys. You know these trees have not been in long. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Isn't this horrible, guys? Dogwoods are back here. Oh my goodness. Cherry crab apples. Maple trees, all of these planters here. Such a sad day here. Oh my goodness. Japanese maple tree back there, guys, gonna get thrown away. Apple tree. Oh wow. This is just so sad. Look at all these ferns. This is just ridiculous. Yep. Can it get any worse than this? My goodness. Yeah, guys. That's what we have out here at Walmart in the throwaway pile.